Okay, g'day there, Peter Ibbotson here. Just checking my iPhone 10R and doing a little bit of comparison with the videos on it. So we're just going into where the videos are now. The last video I did, as you can see, is 4K at 60 fraps per second. Also did the one 30 fraps and 60 fraps. So the first one that comes up is 30 fraps per second, and then 60 fraps per second, and then the last one is 4K at 60 fraps per second. So yeah, let's get on with it and have a look, see if there's any difference at all. Okay, videos. We want the videos. There's the videos. Okay, so we'll click on videos, and there it is over there, first one. And here we go, just a quick look around the backyard. Bit of a windy day, but yeah, should be alright. Now I'll be doing a lot of jerky movements and fast movements, zooming in and out with the XR, which is pinch and zoom on the XR for that, but works really well. So far, by looking at it, what I can see here looks pretty good. Well, don't forget this is all going to be done in 1080p anyway, so it could change a lot of things in the video quality. But yeah, we'll just see how we go. I notice when the sunlight's out, you get a lot of glare in and around the camera. But when you're away from the sun, yeah, it's pretty cool. This in general is just a look at the backyard. Pinch and zoom again. Yeah, you can hear the wind getting up. Okay, let's have a bit of a zoom in over here. I'll come back to that area there in a moment in the next video and see how we go. This is still 30 fraps per second, just showing you the light difference between outside, then into the garage, and then back out again. Okay, so this one here is 60 fraps per second. See how this one turns out. There's that glare again. So overall, just got to judge whether there's any difference at all between 30 fraps, 60 fraps and 4K as far as video quality. So far I think they're looking about the same. And of course I'm chatting to you not on the XR, not on the phone itself, but I'm chatting to you with a headset on. So that'll probably sound completely different too. Now we'll pinch and zoom here. Yeah, that looks good. Here on the 4K I'll do a couple of statues in the back area. Here we go, just look at the ground. Yeah, not so bad if the old hands weren't so shaky. Okay, pinch and zoom on the back fence. Yeah, that works alright. To me, I haven't noticed any difference whatsoever, but I won't know until the video's finished. And if you've got anything to say about the video or what you reckon looks better, yeah, just let me know. Whether to run it at 30 fraps per second, 60 fraps per second, or 4K, which will be coming up after this one. It's not too bad. Let's have a look at this sun. Yeah, so you're getting that green dot that everyone's been talking about in the videos. Yeah, a bit of a pain, but as long as you keep away from the sun, I suppose you're alright. All in all, yeah, as I say, I can't see much difference at the moment. And I'm actually editing the video now, so I am actually watching it back as I'm speaking. Look at that zoom in shot again. There we go. Interesting. Can't see that much difference really. There's the old swing in the backyard. Sat on that many a time. No more peaches yet. All on the ground, finished. Our pussycat. Wow, that's to keep the birds away. And doesn't work. And will we get a zoom in shot here? Yeah, look at that. So yeah, this one's still 60 fraps. We'll just go along the back here and we'll have a look around. Yeah, just love the way those insects are flying around there. Let's have a good look at the tree. A bit windy. There's the bugs flying around. Yeah, and this grapevine's all finished, so yeah, I have to get that all cleared out and fixed up. Yeah, it should be good. Okay, now let's go into the 4K video coming up. So the 4K video is now. Here we go. Supposedly 4K. Let's see if there's much difference. Have a zoom in. Have a look around. Yeah, all done on the XR camera. 10R. Yeah, pretty cool. We'll go over and check the car in a moment. Needs a bit of a wash. We'll just check reflection. Not bad. Should be some watermarks on the front there after the dirty rain. Yep. That'll all wash off and come up nice and clear and beautiful. Reflection wise, yeah, a bit of a reflection there on the window, and yeah, not too bad. Outcome, right, yeah, that's it. Okay, right, now we'll zoom in and we'll have a look at the back area. Zoom back. That's it, just have a quick look around. Very warm day. You can see the sun out there, or the glare of the sun anyway. Yeah, pretty warm day. Okay, we'll skip through now and just have a look at a couple more different things here. Right. Rubbish bins. Okay, let's have a look at the rubbish bin. Garbage only. City of Greater Geelong. Yeah, a cool place to live. Few cobwebs, bit of writing. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty cool. Okay, we might fast forward this just a little bit faster. We'll get back into this bike here and have a look at the bike. Check out the colours. The bike's a bit dirty and dusty, but yeah, colour wise it's not too bad. Excellent. Now we'll just have a look at the helmets up here. Colour wise, yeah, you see the glare, not too bad. We'll check out the bush. That's not zooming in, that's just bringing the camera forward. Just checking out the detail of it. Yeah, I suppose that's okay. Now, it's supposed to be doing it in a 4K, so yeah, let's just have a look underneath here. The grapevine this year was beautiful, yeah, beautiful red grapes, wine grapes, very nice. And there was a lot on there. You can see all the dead ones up there, the ones that are all finished. Yeah, nearly time for pruning again. Just zoom in and have a look at these leaves. Yeah, cool. Have a look at the plants down here. There's a flower. Yeah, not too bad. Gets a bit blurry. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, there's a bug on there. You see him on the left? Haha, cool. There he goes. Excellent. Okay, let's just zoom out a bit. Is that blurry? Let's come out and have a good look. Yeah, about there. Yeah, it's not too bad. Alright. We'll go and have a look at these statues now and yeah, see how they come across. Here's that glare on the lens again with the sun. Good, eh? He's up there, he's up there. Yeah, that's not too bad. Got the angel there. Just checking out details. And the wizard. And of course this one here I love. Little boy sitting on a log reading a book. Excellent. He's been around for a while now. Yep. I turned it sideways so I could get a real nice photo shot. And I got it about snap about there. So that should turn out to be a nice photo. Okay, what have we got here? Another angel. Having a snooze. Excellent. Alright. Oh, this is the one I love. This old man. Yep. You got a pair of shoes down there. Haha. Yeah. Bare feet. Beautiful. He's been around for a while. Hand on the bench seat. Yeah. Pretty cool. Reminds me of me. Getting old. Everyone gets old. But he's relaxing. He's taking it easy. He'll probably be around a lot longer than I will be. Okay. Good day. Hello. How are you? Just trying to get in close, get a bit of detail. Yeah, not too bad. Ah, some weeds. I'll have to do some weeding. There you go, give me something to do. Yeah, the sun really killed the grass this year. But everything will come back again. Alright. There's the sunset at the moment, just starting to go down. Yep, beautiful. On that note, I think I'll finish the video, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Did you spot any differences in the 3 videos? Yep, let me know if you did. Okay, catch you later. Bye for now. See ya.